Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today, oh man, it's just been a nice spring, warm weather. Kind of makes me think of summertime, cooking up hot dogs and stuff like that. So tonight we're going to do a hot dog. This is going to be a special hot dog. Let me show you what we got down here. So right here we got some Hatch green chilies. I've got some all beef franks. These are pretty good size, and hickory smoked bacon. What we're going to do is wrap these on up in the green chili. I've already got these roasted and peeled and opened up and prepared. So we're going to take our hot dogs. We're going to wrap them in green chili like that. They don't quite go all the way around. I think that's going to be fine. Okay, let me get some of this bacon. Then I'm going to wrap these around the green chili and hot dog. I'm telling you, I think I've had green chili and bacon in my mac and cheese, so I know the flavor is going to be pretty darn good. All right, there we go. All right, from here, what you could do is you could put any kind of barbecue rub you want on these. I thought about putting some Uncle Steve's on here. I thought about putting some Holy Voodoo on here, but you know what? I'm using Kingsford hickory pellets today. I'm gonna let these go for an hour at 200 degrees just to soak up that hickory smoke in this bacon and get that hickory flavor into these. And then we're probably gonna crank it up and get it to fry up a little harder, get the bacon nice and not super crisp, but crisp enough. And that's all we're going to do with these. We're not putting rub on them. You can put rub, but trust me, we're getting that hickory flavor. All right, let's get these in the grill. Here they are. We will see you in about an hour. All right, 1 hour in. Look at that. They're looking pretty good. How's the bottom's looking? Oh, we're looking good. I think I'm going to let them just stay in the smoke a little while longer. All right, it's been about an hour and 20 minutes. Bacon's starting to look pretty smoky. I just added this little griddle plate so we can do our buns in a little bit. I'm going to turn it up to 300 and we'll check it in about 15-20 minutes and see how it's doing, and let it go until that bacon is ready. It's been about 15 minutes. Let's give them a look. They're looking like they're doing pretty good. They're not quite ready, but I do have some my hot dog rolls. These are not your regular hot dog rolls. They're fresh made, not by me though. Got my mayonnaise on there, and we're gonna let these toast up. All right, let's see how they're doing now. Look at that. That's a beautiful bun there. See how this one's doing? Look at those. Perfect. All right. So we're going to let these dogs go a little longer. They're not quite ready. Yeah, we'll roll them a little bit. They're getting there. All right, our dogs are done. I'm going to get them off of here. Look at that. Look at that. Right. Okay, how about these hot dogs? These green chili wrapped, bacon wrapped beef hot dogs. We put them in the pellet grill for an hour and 20 minutes to get that hickory smoke. I cranked it up to 300, and it's been about 45-50 minutes, something like that. Now they're done. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to build these. Check this out. So we've got our hot dog buns all nice and toasted. So we're going to get a hot dog on each one. Take that one right there. Look at that. Oh my. Let me move these over so you can get a better look at them. Okay, so what I've got here is I made some Pico de Gallo, tomatoes, onions, jalapeno, cilantro, and lime. So these are just going to get topped with that. Because it's a green chili, you can put anything you want on your dogs. We're going with Pico de Gallo. Nice healthy amount. I'm telling you, look at that. And that's not all. Making a mess on the side, but that's okay. But that's not all we're gonna do here. I also made some cilantro lime avocado crema, and we're gonna go for this drizzle, and this is gonna be so good. Oh my gosh, this stuff tastes amazing. Look at that. And we got plenty of it. All right, what do you think of that? That's my green chili, bacon wrapped hot dog. Let's give this a try. Just grab one like this, and once again, a messy, delicious, gourmet-ish hot dog. Like I said, man, it's been nice all day. Craving hot dogs. I guess it's the weather. So let's just get a bite of this. Oh my goodness. Look at that, steaming. That is perfect. Man. All these flavors all mixed together, they're so good. The Pico de Gallo, the avocado crema, the toasted buns, the bacon wrapped green chili dogs. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. Does that look delicious? Look at that. That has just got tons of flavor. I'm telling you, hot dogs don't have to be plain. I love it just a yellow mustard dog. Awesome. But these are incredible. Thanks for watching. Hey, give me a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next video.